simple, like a spicy tuna salad dip. You just chop up everything. I don't have exact measurements, it's just however much you want to make, and I go by taste. And then spicy mayo, wasabi, a drizzle of sesame oil, avocado, and Persian cucumbers. Put however much you want. And some citrus.
Calamansi.
Green onions. We don't have any more black sesame. And then maybe some seaweed. And then you just mix everything up.
Persian cucumber. Ahi Tuna salad.
Or spicy tuna salad.
Welcome again to our kitchen, Ricky Baby, Culinary Vlog, and travel. We're trying to travel soon, so watch some videos. We're gonna post some videos of the place where we're going. So it might be a short videos, but more interesting because the place where we're going, it might also new to us. We never visited that place, but so far in mind, maybe we're going, it depends on the situation. So just keep watching in our video. We try to connect back to you guys, to all my subscribers. We try to connect back to you. At least we can make one more video once a week. So now we try to mix together these Ahi Tuna and
The avocado. And then I just put spicy mayo to taste or consistency. Again, I don't have exact measurements. It's really just preference, how little or how much. Let's start with that.
citrus to citrus.
Depends on how much they want. You can put more or you can skip it.
So the secret of this is like you have to taste it yourself. but the ingredients is this only ingredients that comes with it. So it's up to you how you have to taste with your palate, and then your preferences. It depends upon you. But we just show you guys the basic ingredients and how to do it, how to mix it,
This is
and
really,
how to make it. So
really
this is
strong wasabi, so I just
wasabi.
need a little bit.
So again, you have to taste it while you're doing it. So
You can put more, you can put less. You can do this with shrimp, scallops, or crabs, or all of the above. Just
this
a,
is the perfect combination with
just a drizzle, or go by taste again. You don't need a lot. And I'm missing black sesame. We ran out, or you can just skip it.
it's optional. But this is perfect with your chips and white wine. This is good for hors d'oeuvres. So we try to make this.
And I think I'll just cut up some seaweed and sprinkle it, because I like to eat this with seaweed or tortilla chips.
Tortilla chips is, I like tortilla chips.
Spring chip.
So this is almost the finished, this is the finished product now. Haha. Okay, we're preparing, we're gonna add either tortilla chips and the seaweed, right?
Yeah, well, I'm adding the seaweed.
Well, you're adding the seaweeds, okay. Na 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 na. Welcome. Again, thank you guys for continuing subscribing my channel. Hopefully some of who unsubscribe will subscribe back. And I thank you again for your support, and continue watching my YouTube channel. So again, we try to go back to normal as we try to post some video once a week. Guys, so this is our finished product, our Ahi Tuna salad. So,
Spicy tuna.
spicy tuna.
Honestly.
There we go. So, this is our dinner. And of course, my lunch for tomorrow too. So, let's try it. Mmm. We use the Simple Truth Organic Blue Corn Tortilla Chips. And this is our crab cake that we made earlier. So this is it's really good. Thank you. Shout out to my videographer and my wife who made this ahi spicy tuna salad. And the wine pairing, this is with Sauvignon Blanc. It's perfect pairing. No rice, no steamed rice. Filipinos will have steamed rice, but this is it. Just a glass of wine, just for pairing purposes only. Okay. So again, thank you guys for watching. Let me grab before I go.